This is Sudha Sarni from Prasan Vidya Mandir School. Today our session, Grade 5, subject is Maths, topic is Lesson 10 Decimal Fractions, month is January, week is 4th. PPT number is Part 2, prepared by myself and going to be presented by myself, Miss Elarisi and Miss Visalachi. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to like and unlike decimal, comparison and ordering of decimals. Today, puzzle. Which circle should replace the question mark? Answer is A circle. Solution. Each pair of circles are mirror images of each other. What is like decimals? Decimals numbers having the same number of digits after the decimal points are called like decimals. Example 4.63, 8.09, 7.12. What is unlike decimals? Decimal numbers having different number of digits after the decimal point are called unlike decimals. Example 1.23, 1.345, 2.3. Look at the decimal numbers in the given images. So let us start our activity with paper activity. So decimal numbers, you just look at it. First number is 117.72 and next 62.35 and this also 62.35 and 18.990, 38.990 and 6.199, 1.599. See, so you have to look at this all the decimal numbers and we need to do the group these decimal numbers into two columns. So column wise we want to segregate. So how do we segregate? So in column 1, so I am already segregated after point decimal numbers. So 2-digit number, 1 category I have already in column 1 I have segregated, and in column 2, so after the point 3-digit numbers. Okay, in decimal part 3-digit number. Here column 1, in decimal part 2-digit number. So 2 columns wise I have segregated. So these are the like decimals. So what is the like decimal? Decimal numbers having the same number of the digits after the decimal point are called like decimals. So look at the example. So 2.3, 4.5, 6.7. So these are the like decimals. Why? Because after the point, so after the decimal point, okay, the same number of digit. Here only one number of digit. In decimal part only one number of decimal numbers are there. So only one digit are there in decimal part. So these decimal numbers are like decimals. Then what is the unlike decimals? So here decimal numbers having different number of digits after the decimal point are called unlike decimals. See, look at the example 1.23. So here 2 digits after the decimal point. So in decimal part is 2-digit number. Here 3-digit number 1.345. Here 2.1. In decimal part is 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digits. So different number of digits after the decimal point are called unlike decimals. And next, like decimals can be compared easily, but unlike decimals should be first converted into like decimals by adding required number of zeros in decimal places. See, look at the example now, 1.3 and 2.79. First, we should write in this place value chart You know that already because 1.3, 1 is the whole number, 3 is the decimal part, that is 10th place, and 2 is the whole number, 2.79. Okay, but these decimal, what type of decimal, like decimal or unlike decimal? Yes, very good. These decimals are unlike decimal because after the point in decimal part, different digits are there. So 1.3 is only one digit and 2.79 is the two digit. But first we should convert into like decimal. How do we convert? We just add the 0. By adding a 0 in the 100th place, 1.3, we get 1.30. Now we can easily compare 1.30 and 1.27. See, you look at the 1.30 and 1.27 minds, so both numbers are like decimal and we can easily compare it. So when we compare the two decimal numbers, first compare the whole number part, then only compare the decimal number part. Look at the given decimal numbers. Convert them into like decimal. Now we will convert into like decimal. How do we convert? Yes, you know very well, we have to add the 0. Okay, first look at all the decimal numbers, which is the in decimal part, which is the highest digit are there. So here 65.093, so 3 digit numbers are there in decimal part. So we want to convert all the decimal numbers in decimal part 3 digit. Okay, so first 12.3 means 12.3, so we will be added the 20. Then only in decimal part is the 3 digit are there. So 12.300. Next 4.67. Already 2 digit are there. Only 10 we will add. And next 21.09. Yes, of course, already 2 digits are there. We will be add only 10. Next 5.98. 2 digits are there. Add only 10. And the same like this only we will be convert like decimal. So now 45.0, only one digit, we will be add 20. Okay, so 45.000. And next 65.093. Already the 3 digits are there, so no need to change anything. So this is only, we need to first convert the unlike decimal into like decimal. Now the comparison. When you compare or when you add or subtraction in the decimal numbers, first we should convert unlike to like decimal. Okay, 34.7, 35.90. First, what type of decimal numbers? Yes, of course this is the unlike decimal because after the point, so in decimal part here 1 digit, here 2 digit. We want to first convert to like decimal. So I just, because here is a 2 digit number is there, so I want to add only 10. So now 34.70, here also 2 digits. Okay, now so first I want to change all the decimal numbers first like decimal, then after we will do the comparison. So 45.19, here also 2 digit, here also 2 digit. In decimal part, here 3 digit number, here 3 digit number. 123.5, so in decimal part only 1 digit, 101.9, here also only 1 digit. Okay, now when we comparison, first compare the whole number part, 34 and 35. Which one is the greater? The greater is the 35. Okay, next 45.19, here 45.91, so whole number is 45, same. Next, look at the decimal part. Decimal part is 19. So first 10th place, you first look at it, 1. Here 10th place is 9. So which is the greater? Yes, 9 is the greater. So 45.91 is the greater. Next, the whole number is a 1. Here also 1. Thus 1 1 same. So next, look at that first 10th digit, 0, 0, same. Next, 100th digit is 0, 100th digit is 1. 1 is greater, so put the symbol. And next one, 123.5. So here, 123 is the whole part, 101 is whole part. Which one is greater? Yes, of course, 123 is the greater. And next, read the weight of the eggs of few flightless birds. Okay. Now compare and arrange the weight in the ascending order. See, the first one is ostrich egg is 1.4 kg and second emu egg is 0.600 kg and okay, the weight of your Gulsawari egg is about 0.650 kg and the weight of a kiwi egg is 0.300 kg. Okay, now we want to we need to arrange all the eggs in ascending order. Okay, in ascending order means first we should change to all the numbers. What is it? Yes, from unlike to like. So I want to change first here 1.4. See, look at it. In decimal number is a 3 digit are there. So all the decimal numbers in decimal part should 30. So 1.4 already 1 digit and 20 we will be add. Next is 0.600. Next 0.650 kg, isn't it? So next last one kiwi 0.300. Now look at this, all the decimal numbers are like decimal. Now we will be arranging ascending order. Okay, so ascending order. Now we start to write the ascending order. Okay. So I am just writing this ascending order. So now start to write the ascending order. So first look at this whole number. Yes, ascending order means small to big. And so which number is the small? Whole number first compare it. 1 and 0. Which one is small? Yes, of course 0 is the small. Now this 3 numbers first compare it. All the whole numbers are 0. So next we will compare in 10th place. 10th place is a 6, 3. So which one is small? 3 is the small. So 0.300 kg. Which one is kiwi? So kiwi 0.300 kg. And what is the next one? Here 10th place is the same. So next place is 100. 0.5. Which one is the smaller? 0.600. So 0.600 kg. So that is emu. And next one is 0.650 kg. At last is 1.400 kg. That is ostrich egg. So this is the ascending order. And the last one, the rainwater harvesting is a technique of collecting rainwater and storing it in natural reservoirs or tanks for different useful activities later. Observe the level of water in different reservoirs of Hyderabad. Compare them and arrange them in descending order. Now, we have to write in the descending order. Okay, so descending order. What is the descending order? Descending order means? Yes. So descending order means big to small. Yes, big to small. First one is okay, Osman Nagar 542.148 and Himayat Sagar 534.83 and Singar 587.385, Manjira 501.34, Nagarjun Sagar 156.21 and Sri Sailam 243.809. Okay, now we start to write the descending order. Okay, descending order means big to small. First, compare the whole number. Okay, first I want to convert the unlike to like decimal. So unlike to like decimal means, so which one is the greater? After the point is a 3-digit is greater, so I want to first add the 0 to convert the like decimal. See, here is the 2-digit are there in decimal part, so wherever is the decimal part is a 2-digit are there, so I'm just adding the 10. Okay, next, compare the first whole numbers. 543, 34, which one is the greater? Yes. So 587 is the greater, isn't it? 587. So this is the number 1. So this is the number 1. Okay. And next, 583, and next one is 500 542. Second one is 542. And third one is 534. And fourth one is 501. And fifth place, 156 or 243. Which one is greater? Yes, 243.809. So this is fifth place. And last place is 156.21. So this is the descending order. So you will be take and write it in the order wise.
Follow-up work. Radha went to grocery shop. The first line of your story is given. Using the clues, create your own story. Also, bring to the concept of like and unlike decimals. Narrate the story in the class. Clues. First one, list of things to buy. Number 2, weight of things. Number 3, cost of things. Number 4, distance between the shop and house. Summary of the session. Identify types of decimals. Next, convert unlike decimals into like decimals. Next, compare decimals. Last one, sequence decimals in different order. That is ascending and descending. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Thank you, students.